Have you ever wondered how to build a professional website using WordPress? Well, wonder no more. Today we'll explore the process, step by step, making it as easy as pie. First things first, you'll need to secure a hosting service and a domain name. Think of your hosting service as a house where your website's files will live, and your domain name as the address that people will use to visit your site. Next, it's time to install WordPress on your hosting server. WordPress is the platform that will empower you to build your website. Many hosting services offer one-click WordPress installations, making this process a breeze. Once WordPress is set up, it's time to pick a template. WordPress offers a variety of templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Whether you want a sleek, modern design or a more classic look, there's a template for you. Customize it to express your unique style and brand. Now, you're ready to create your pages. These might include a home page, a contact page, a product page, or any other pages you think your website needs. It's your world, you're just building it. Plugins are next on the list. Think of plugins as the special features of your website. They can add functionality, streamline your design, or even help you better reach your audience. Once your plugins are installed, it's time to configure your WordPress settings. Here, you'll tackle site, security, and browsing settings. It's important to ensure that your site is safe and easy for your visitors to navigate. Next, you'll create a navigation menu. This is the tool that your visitors will use to explore your site. Make it intuitive and straightforward. Finally, it's time to add your content. This could be blogs, images, videos, or whatever else you want to share with the world. With WordPress, the sky's the limit. You can add an online store to sell products, start a personal podcast, create a membership site, or even build a web directory. Building a professional website with WordPress is achievable, even if you don't have a technical background. You're now ready to embark on your website creation journey. So, go forth and create.